So today we're going to be doing just a quick review and my personal opinions on the 701. As you guys may have previously saw in our other video, I had an 08 610R and ended up falling off the trailer, and insurance ended up totaling out the bike. But as I say, everything happens for a reason. So ended up ultimately deciding between this 701 or the KTM 690, and just personal preference. Had a Husky before and loved it and heard awesome things about the 701, so ended up going with that. As you guys may have experienced too, these things are extremely, or at least for me, are extremely hard to find without them being brand new. And even still brand new, a lot of them were still sold out at the dealerships. I ended up getting lucky and finding this one about half an hour away from me, and it does already have a lot of the upgrades done to it with the fuel dongle, the Leo vents exhaust and mid pipe. Has the K&N air filter in there, taking out the ginormous filter that's already in there before. But first year of the quick shifter, am definitely pleased with that. Have had a couple little things with it, but overall fantastic. I do like that it has the gas tank in the rear. Definitely something new for me, always having it in the front, but personally I think that it does distribute the weight a lot better and takes some of the weight off the front forks. So, all right, let's get on here and ride it. And as I forgot to mention to you guys, this bike is down 2 teeth in the front. At first I wasn't quite sure about how I felt on that, but upon riding it more, I actually do like it. Gives it kind of more out of that whole lurch, bottom and torque that I actually really like. I am definitely a big fan of the stock WP suspension that comes on this. Did have to soften up a little bit from the previous owner, but definitely spot on for me. And just the overall power is always there, I feel like, because going from that 610 that had low 50 horsepower going to this to mid to high 70s, it's just a massive difference. It's just literally you have power in every gear. Even with a quick 6-gear roll-on, I mean, this thing just screams. I mean, it definitely has the power in any gear to get up and go. My previous 610, it would just be lagging. It'd take forever to get up in any kind of rev range. Plus, with this thing redlining at 9,000 RPM, and my 610 felt like 4,500, just a world of difference. Able just to stretch out the rev range that far without having to seemingly shift all the time. But anyways, guys, as I said, definitely pleased, extremely pleased with this bike. It's everything and more than I was hoping for. So I hope this was a decent review for you guys, just from my point of view. I've had this bike just a little bit over a month, so hopefully getting a lot more riding time on it. I appreciate you guys, appreciate the support. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the flip side. Sing loud till they turn out your very last line. When you're gone, what do you have but the song you sing? And there ain't no one that can hold me back. I can't change my ways once I felt like that. Right love in a life worth remembering. What a shame, a crying shame. 9 to 5, it's all the same. But you won't take those wasted hours to your grave.
And as I watch my hourglass, grains of sand are like days of past. Brace the storm, this is your love, your life, your task. Yeah.